Hi guys, welcome to this new video. Today I'd like to answer a question that I've heard a lot over the years. It's a big question. It seems like nothing. It seems like a bit of a detail, but I know it's important and many of you guys have not been able to figure it out. So here it is. We're going to talk about whether or not we have to pronounce the S in tous or tous. Well, sometimes we do say it, sometimes we don't. And here's the reason why. You will not say the S when it's followed by a noun. Let me give you a few examples. Tous les enfants sont là. Tous les enfants sont là. All the kids are here. Okay? We're not going to say the S. There's a noun kid. Kids. Les enfants. Tous les enfants sont là. We're not saying the S because of the noun enfant. Tous les enfants sont là. All the kids are here. If you don't know any other words besides enfant, the French will also use the môme, which is a bit pejorative, or gamin, which is okay. Adults will say that among themselves. You know, they talk about les gamins, the kids, les gamins. Okay? Other example, if I ask the question, vous avez tous les sacs? Do you have all the bags? Vous avez tous les sacs? I'm not saying the S because of the noun sac. Vous avez tous les sacs? Do you have all the bags? We don't say the S. Other example, j'ai pris tous les couverts. I took all the utensils. J'ai pris tous les couverts. Un couvert, a utensil. Okay? J'ai pris tous les couverts. I took all the utensils. Last example, tous les verres sont sales. All the glasses are dirty. Tous les verres sont sales. Again, there's the noun verre for a glass. So, tous les verres sont sales. I'm not saying the S. Tous les verres sont sales. Now, let me say these four sentences again, but I'm going to replace the noun with a pronoun, tous. And now, because it's a pronoun, I'm going to say the S. Listen to that. And tous les enfants sont là. Now, I could say, ils sont tous là. They're all here. All in the sense of the pronoun all. Ils sont tous là. Okay, they're all here. For vous avez tous les sacs, I could say, vous les avez tous. Do you have all of them? Vous les avez tous. Vous les avez tous. Pronoun all of them. All. Vous les avez tous. J'ai pris tous les couverts. I took all the utensils. I took all of them. Je les ai tous pris. Je les ai tous pris. Okay? And finally, tous les verres sont sales. I could say, they're all dirty. Ils sont tous sales, talking about glasses. Ils sont tous sales. So we have two S's next to each other. We would say, ils sont tous sales. So it sounds like a long S. Ils sont tous sales. Tous sales. D'accord? All right, that was the big question of the day. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please post them below. Don't forget to look at all those beautiful videos that we have on the channel. And don't forget to go to the website. The link is right there. You can subscribe to the entire course monthly. You can unsubscribe anytime. You can purchase the course that you want. You can switch between the two. If you have any questions, send me a note at alex@language-c.com. Don't forget to download the app, which is in the description, so you can start learning on the go, download all the videos you want. And I'll see you soon at Language City, and you'll see what it's like to speak like a native. À bientôt, salut!